JT, can you guess where we're at? ...2015 GMC Sierra 4x4, and it's got all the equipment on it. I put a tongue cover on it. It's a decent riding truck, and I even had to get my sticker out and get that mounted. But so far we've had it about a month now, and it's doing it seems like it rides and drives great. And SEL series, and it's got the running boards. It's got some nice looking wheels and tires on it. It'll get the job done for what we need it to do. This is Alice's spot back here in the truck, so Miss Alice, the princess, gets a whole back seat for herself, and the front seats, it's got all the buttons. It's got a navigational system. It's got dual air controls and all that stuff, and it's a good truck for what we're going to use it for. I think it had 49,000 miles when we bought it, but I believe it pulls my trailer for my ATVs. It'll pull it a whole lot nicer than the red one would, because this one actually has the full tow package on it. It has the brake controller and all that stuff already built in. I mean, you just got electric mirrors. It's got the brake controllers and all these buttons on the wheel, and the whole navigation system on it. And I mean, it's got a little bit of everything. Oops. And I mean, it's got XM radio, and it's got the like I said, it's got navigation. It's got all kinds of stuff, and it's also got a way of starting it with just a key fob for the cold days and stuff. But back when, I mean, it should easily pull my eventual toy hauler when I get working on it, which I've already showed y'all that. But hopefully soon we will be able to start going more places to ride the ATVs and stuff. Well, all right, that's kind of, I guess, a couple weeks, so about 3 weeks, so we haven't been able to put up a video, but we've had this truck for about a month, and it's dirty right now because of all the pollen and everything, and the rain we've had. But I just thought it was time to go ahead and make a video. And Miss Alice is warm enough that Miss Alice wants to go swimming, so we brought her down to the river to let her go swimming for a little while, and we'll see what See if she ever wants to see if she wants to get in the water, or whether she's just gonna play around up on the banks. I mean, you can tell where the flooded, that is, the river flooded not long ago. You can tell where all the mud is. Let's see what Miss Alice goes swimming. She enjoys swimming more than anything. Sorry if the wind gets to the microphone, but she wanted to. Lisa's finally getting a little bit over her crutch, so maybe we can get out and get some riding videos. But this is a beautiful spot in here. Decided to ride over here. See if there's how much fishing we're going on. But right this minute, there's not any boats out here. It's got cloudy since we got out of here. You can see the sun's covered, so. But I kind of figured we would give her a chance to dress while we're out. So. Something else around water. There's the picture of the truck from behind. It's got a 5.3 liter V8 with the what is that called? Where it drops down to 4 cylinders. Whenever the V8 is not needed. And so we just figured it would be the red truck was starting to get a few too many miles on it, so we traded up to this one. Still to be seen whether or not the miles, whether this will do the job or not, but hopefully soon we will be able to determine that. What kind of other modifications I'm going to end up doing to the truck. But like I said, for the buttons and all, this one has kind of a little bit of everything on it. I mean, it's got all the steering wheel controls. It's got built-in hands-free, and it's also got the navigation system and all of that. Maybe, hopefully this truck will last us a long time. But that's what we just want to get some, get moving around a little bit, since we haven't been able to ride the 4-wheelers. So looking kind of over what, exploring places we hadn't been in a while. So. I kind of figured there'd be a lot more boats and stuff out. Evidently, it's not quite time for them to get out and go fishing. There's Miss Alice. She's exploring. She's got to explore wherever we go. She rides. right off. Alrighty. Well, I think I'm gonna call this one quits right here. But please like and subscribe, and if you enjoy this kind of stuff, so we know what we can do in the future. Thank you for watching.